Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Friday, July the 25th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. U.S. stock futures steadied near all-time highs on Friday as investors assessed a packed week of major earnings, trade deals, and President Trump's unusual visit to the Federal Reserve. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures ticked up 0.1%, while S&P 500 futures were little changed after the benchmark notched its 4th record close in a row. Contracts on the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 also traded broadly flat. Markets are hitting pause on the recent risk-on rally that has seen the S&P 500 and Nasdaq composite stack up records, setting the major gauges on track for weekly gains of around 1%. Number 2. Intel reported its second quarter earnings after the bell on Thursday, beating on revenue but missing on earnings per share due to impairment charges. The company said it is cutting its headcount by 15% and expects to have approximately 75,000 employees by the end of the year. Intel also offered an upbeat Q3 revenue forecast of between $12.6 billion and $13.6 billion. Wall Street was expecting $12.6 billion. The Chipmaker stock fell almost 5% in pre-market trading on Friday, having initially risen more than 2% soon after the report before turning negative. Number 3. The Federal Communications Commission cleared Paramount's merger with Skydance after the administration extracted concessions on political coverage and diversity. It comes on the heels of Paramount's $16 million settlement with Trump over alleged election interference by CBS, and the network's announcement last week that it's canceling The Late Show with Stephen Colbert. Number 4. Shares of footwear maker Deckers Outdoor are jumping 12% in pre-market trading after it posted strong quarterly earnings. The company reported a 17% year-over-year rise in quarterly sales to $964.5 million, while its diluted earnings per share increased 24% to come in at 93 cents a share. The company reported sales of its Hoka brand shoes surged 20%, while UGG sales were up 19%. The higher sales and profits come after Deckers didn't issue a full-year outlook last quarter due to uncertainty over tariffs. The company said it expects current quarter revenue to come in at $1.38 billion to $1.42 billion. Number 5. Miner Newmont reported second quarter earnings of $1.43 per share, up from 72 cents per share in the same quarter last year, and above analysts' estimates compiled by Visible Alpha as gold prices rose. The company reported an average realized gold price of $3,320 for the quarter, above the $2,347 gold price from the year-ago quarter. The company also said its board authorized another $3 billion in share buybacks. The report comes after the company's CFO unexpectedly resigned earlier this month. Newmont shares are higher by nearly 2% in pre-market trading. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.